we'll guide you through how to use CapCut Caption template. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create attractive and professional captions quickly without designing from scratch. CapCut templates make the process easier, especially for beginners. By learning how to use caption templates, users can improve video quality, save time, and produce engaging content that stands out on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. First, open Windows on your computer to begin the process. Next, type CapCut into your Windows menu search bar so you can quickly find the application. Once the search results appear, click to open CapCut. After the application launches, click on the Create Project button to start a new editing workspace. Then, import the video you want to edit by using the Import option inside the project. Once the video is successfully imported, drag the video onto the timeline so you can begin editing it directly. After placing the video in the timeline, go to the menu located in the toolbar in the upper left corner of the screen. From this menu, select the Captions option to access text features. Next, choose a template that fits your video style by browsing through the available caption templates. Carefully select the template you want to use for your project. After choosing the template, click the plus symbol icon to add the template to the track so it appears in your timeline. Once the template is added, change the text inside the caption template to match your content. Type the text exactly as needed so it reflects what you want to display in the video. After entering the text, customize the appearance by changing the text font to suit your design. Then, adjust the scale of the text to make it clearly visible and proportional to the video. Make sure the size is not too large or too small for viewers. Next, adjust the text position on the timeline so it appears at the correct moment during playback. Carefully align the captions with the video timing for better synchronization. You can preview the video to ensure everything looks correct.